Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. When I go to the grocery store, I'm looking for idea. I found this beautiful marinated chilled garlic and roasted pepper. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna make into a stir fry. So I'm gonna get them a coarsely chop because this is a little bit too big. We're gonna make this beautiful squash zucchini, very nutritious, delicious, flavorful, and easy to eat. It's a great way to eat your vegetable. So here I got this beautiful zucchini, very fresh. I'm gonna slip into quarter like this, and then I'm just gonna give them a little dice. Try to cut evenly. Oh, I dropped one. It's okay. And then same thing, I will do that to the yellow squash. It's very colorful. It's very sweet, by the way. There's a lot of flavor. And 10 minutes is all you need. Sometimes I'll have my steak or grilled chicken or fish, my protein, and then you need a side of vegetable. Just balance your diet. Here we go. Let's get cooking. High heat. Skillet. Little oil. Tiny little bit. Our stable, delicious, healthy minced garlic. If you want to know how to mince garlic and ginger, go into my YouTube channel. By the way, I have over 700 YouTube channel now. If you need anything, go search first. And then if none in my channel, you can Facebook me to Fortune Cooking. I'll be glad to cook for you. Give them a quick stir. Ah, smells so good. Now, roasted pepper and garlic. See, this is flavor. You're building the flavor using the oil to combine all this ginger, garlic, and the pepper. So now your vegetable is not going to be boring. It's going to be so delicious and crisp. Put it in. This is a great way to cook. Very easy, right? Simple. Oh yeah, look at that. Gorgeous. Here we go. Let them cook. See the vegetable try to dehydrate now. Now they start getting tender outside. Once we cook through, that's good. Flip, stir, sit for a few seconds, and then flip. Same routine. We're gonna get that little water. The water will help them cook. See, once you add the water, it should be boiling right away. That means your pot and pan is nicely heated, nice and warm. It's called tornado stir. It's gonna take 40 years to be like this master tornado stir. I'm just joking. You can do it. Just have to try it. Ah, smell amazing. Feel it. Black pepper, a pinch. Salt, a pinch. When I cook, I just spray it around. Once I spray it, it's just like you add salt and pepper with your meal. Just spread it so you evenly, you know? It's good. If you're not sure, pick one to try it. Oh boy, look at that. Vegetable is so healthy, got natural sweet, all the flavor. Lots of supplement in the natural vegetable. You gotta eat it. Sometimes it's just hard when we go to the store. It's beautiful. They put it in the market, beautiful grocery store, but you don't know what to do with it, you know, right? So I'm gonna make a bunch of vegetable stir fry to go along with your meal. Stay healthy. Look at that. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right. Now, Let's give one a try. Okay, like this. Try it. Blow a few times. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, nice and tender. Excellent. The dish is done.